Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Snack English, where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Adam.
Hi, Adam. Hi, everyone. I am so happy to be here with you today.
Today, we talk about getting around the city.
This is a useful topic. We all need to travel. We go to work, we go to school.
We call this movement transportation.
Yes, cars, buses, trains. There are many ways to move.
Sarah, tell me, how do you get to work?
I usually take the bus. My office is far away.
You usually take the bus. Do you always take it?
No, not always. Sometimes I am late. Then I take a taxi.
Ah, taxis are faster, but they are expensive.
Yes, very expensive. So I rarely take a taxi, maybe once a month.
Rarely. It means not often.
Yes, I try to save my money. I never take a taxi if I have time.
Listeners, did you hear those words? Usually, sometimes, rarely, never.
These are adverbs of frequency. They tell us how often.
Yes, they are very important for daily routines.
Adam, what about you? Do you drive a car?
I sometimes drive, but I hate traffic. Traffic makes me angry.
Traffic is terrible in the city. Cars stop, cars wait. It is boring.
So I often ride my bicycle. It is fun and free.
A bicycle?
Yes, and I never listen to music on the bike. I need to hear the cars.
That is smart. I listen to music on the bus. I always sit by the window. I see people walking, I see shops opening. It is nice.
What verbs do we use for the bus, Sarah?
We take the bus, or we catch the bus.
Right, we catch the bus. And if we are late?
We miss the bus. That is a bad feeling.
I missed the bus. Oh no. Then you must wait.
I often wait for 20 minutes. The buses are slow.
Waiting is boring. What do you do while you wait?
I usually check my phone, or I read a book. Adam, do you ever take the subway, the underground train?
I occasionally take the subway, only when it rains.
Occasionally. That means sometimes, right?
Yes, from time to time. I don't like the subway. It is dark.
Okay, let's play a quick game.
I'm ready.
Number 1, bike.
Easy. Ride. I ride my bike.
Correct. Number 2, car.
Drive. I drive my car.
Correct. Number 3, plane.
Fly. Pilots fly planes. Passengers take planes.
Very good. Number 4, bus.
We said this. Take or catch or get on.
Yes. And when we leave the bus?
We get off. I get off at the next stop.
Perfect. You win the game, Adam.
Thank you.
Adam, I have a question about get on and get in.
Ah, this is tricky. It confuses many students.
Yes. Why do we say get on the bus but get in the car?
Here is a simple rule. Can you stand up and walk?
On a bus? Yes, I can walk.
Then you get on. You get on a bus. You get on a train.
On a plane? Yes, I can walk. So I get on a plane.
Exactly. Now think about a car. Can you stand up?
No, the roof is too low. I must sit.
Then you get in. You get in a car. You get in a taxi.
Wow, that is so simple.
Yes, walk equals on, sit equals in.
I will remember that.
Listeners, write that down. It is a golden rule.
English is crazy sometimes, but rules help.
It is a little crazy, but we love it.
Adam, we are almost finished.
Yes, time flies when we have fun. Friends, thank you for listening today.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to practice. And if you enjoyed this episode, please subscribe to Snack English, like this episode, and share it with a friend who is learning English.
Every episode is a small snack of English. Easy to listen to, easy to remember, and delicious.
Delicious English. I love that.
Thank you so much for listening to us today. Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye, everyone. See you in the next episode.